This is our Scalp Gua Sha, a widely practiced therapeutic healing tool. It stems from Chinese traditional medicine. It promotes microcirculation, it massages the scalp for increased product absorption, and it helps with tension and overall relaxation. Once you've applied your favorite scalp treatment, you're going to follow with the Gua Sha tool. You're going to use the combing action starting on the forehead, just gently tracing over the scalp all the way down with a very gentle combing action throughout the whole scalp. I feel little tingles already. So just follow the scalp the whole way around, like so. And very gentle with this. You don't need to apply too much pressure. Use the back of this and you're going to drain through the lymphatic drainage here. And through here on the same side, other side. And we're done.